The PEEH Steam Mop 12-in-1 is incredibly versatile, featuring multiple attachments that make it perfect for cleaning a variety of surfaces such as floors, windows, and even clothes. With its rapid heat-up time of 20 to 30 seconds, this steam mop ensures quick and efficient cleaning, offering adjustable steam settings suitable for different flooring types. Designed with eco-friendliness in mind, it uses high-temperature steam instead of harsh chemicals, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a safer cleaning solution for all floor types. Despite its powerful performance, the steam mop is lightweight and easy to maneuver, featuring a swivel design and a long power cord for extensive reach and convenient storage. The ability to transform into a handheld steam cleaner with multiple tools makes it ideal for both detailed cleaning tasks and general household chores. Equipped with a high-capacity water tank, it can provide up to 30 minutes of continuous steam, ensuring thorough cleaning without frequent refills.